Well, I've made it to Dad's house, sitting here in front of the garage, about to go inside and hang out, see what we can get ourselves into. How about that? I was with him when we picked up that toolbox last time I was up here quite a while ago. Sounds like he's filming also. Look at him filming us. Can't believe some people filming people all the time. That's some crazy YouTube stuff right there, man. Hey, who you think you are filming me? I'm filming you. Why are we gonna be on YouTube together? That's some weird stuff, man. That's just weird. That's just weird. Look at him. Look at him being weird. Look at him being weird.
Hey everybody.
He's filming us and we're filming each other. That's some weird stuff. Who does that?
Yeah,
that's some crazy stuff.
Just us two birds.
That's some craziness right there.
Yeah, it is.
That's what that is. No. I'm gonna let you electrocute yourself, but I'll film it. Okay.
Well, that's a good option too.
I'll unplug things and make sure you're okay afterwards.
You're gonna clean up after the explosion, is it?
Yeah. I'll tell Trish your last words were, "Tell any baby I love her," or something like that. Oh, where's the other ends? I bet they're gonna shack each other. Oh, they're plugged in the wall. No, they're not. They're plugged into something else.
Well, that's not the dumbest thing I ever done, but it was an easy fix. If I'd have.
There you go.
If I'd have thought
now you're
of
welding.
that.
You're welding here.
Yeah. If I'd have thought of that
before you plugged them into the battery.
I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about when I took that steering column out.
Oh.
All right. So this is the ground. That's the wire with the stripe on.
We'll call it a ground.
This is the hot wire. And that's what powers this. And then this is also a hot wire, which is going to activate it. And use this little clamp to hold it on there. This little teeny wire right here is what activates it, and if you listen, you'll hear it click when I put that on there. Hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you hold that and keep it from turning.
Keep it from turning?
Yeah. Don't let me turn it.
Well, it's biting teeth. It's moving teeth. Yeah, that's not a good idea. We're tearing this up.
All right. So I'm going to pull this wire off. Now do it. Now keep it from turning.
This is not firm. It's gonna tear up those teeth on there.
Let's take this one off here.
All right, so yesterday we made sure that the Prius steering box works with power hooked up to it, and we modified the mechanisms to have bolts through them so they wouldn't fall out. Dad got up early this morning and made sure everything was secure, and now we're going to mount the electrical box down there. We're going to mount it to the frame somewhere and get it so we can drive it, put the headers back on and take it out for a drive. So yeah, pretty fantastic. Yep, pretty fantastic.